Alright, here we are with our Mazda key. So on the back, you'll start, there's a little tab here, and you'll press it to the side while you pull down on the key, and it releases the key. Mazda's, honestly, is one of the worst to have to replace because there's no spot to help you open the casing. So you have to just take your nails and kind of pull back on the edge. So you do one side and then you pull back on the other side, and it just opens a little, and then I will take my key and kind of place it inside of there and just work my way down, and then it'll pop open, which then reveals this. So once you have it open, then it's very easy. You just pop off this little black covering. It's nice that they have that because then that keeps it kind of weather sealed. And then it's a 2025, and it's one of the easier batteries to get out. So now that I said that, I won't be able to, but sometimes if your finger is just like a little sticky, there you go. So you remove that and then just get yourself a new 2025. Slide it back in there. Get your little casing. Press that down. Yeah, let's put that back on there. Press it all back together. It's not lined up properly, so there we go. Press it back together. Then you'll just take your key. I have both of these open right now, so you'll just take your key, slide it back into the slot there. Clicks in place, and that's how you change the battery in your Mazda remote. Thank you for watching.